Hello students, good afternoon. So in this lecture I am going to explain about the star delta and delta star transformation or star delta conversion and delta star conversion. So first of all we need to understand what is the requirement for the conversion. So if you do not know or if you do not calculate the equivalent resistance properly because of the complexity of the network, then we can go for the star delta and delta star conversion. So first we will go for delta to star conversion. Delta circuit क्या होता है देखो. Let there are three resistance are connected in this fashion, that is called delta connected circuit. Okay, and if three resistance are connected in this fashion, that is called star connected network. Okay, ये हो गया डेल्टा एलिमेंट ऑफ द डेल्टा सर्किट, ये हो गया डेल्टा स्टार एलिमेंट ऑफ द स्टार सर्किट. सो ये डेल्टा सर्किट, ये स्टार सर्किट, राइट. Let the delta element are A, B and C. So we can convert delta circuit to star circuit, star equivalent circuit. So what is the star equivalent element? The element will be this element, let it be X, and this element let it be Y, and this is let it be Z. So the value of X will be A into B by A plus B plus C. It is very easy to remember. Similarly, Y will be B into C by A plus B plus C, and Z will be C into A by A plus B plus C. See, I'll say how to remember this one. To know the value of X, you just multiply the adjacent resistance by sum of all resistance. Similarly, to find out Y, you multiply the adjacent resistance BC by sum of all resistance. And similarly for Z, it will be CA upon A plus B plus C. So what you see from this section, the denominator part is fixed, which is sum of all the resistance. Which resistance? Delta equivalent resistance. Right. So one more thing you remember, note देके लिखो, ये important है. While converting from delta to star, the delta element should be removed from the circuit. Once you are converting from delta to star, the delta element will be removed from the circuit. Let us take an example. Let this value is 2 and this value is 3, let this value is 4. Tell me what is the star equivalent? XY ये value कितना होगा? A into B, 2 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what is Y? BC, 3 into 4 by 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what is it? C into A, which is 4 into 2 by 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here what is X? Finally the value of X will be coming 6 upon 4, 3, 7 to 9, 6 upon 9, and here it is 12 upon 9, and here it is 8 upon 9. So these are your star element. Next we will go for star to delta conversion. Star to delta. See, ये हो गया हमारा star connected circuit. Let this element are A, B and C, and corresponding delta element, let these are X, Y and Z. Okay, so what is the value of X? Actually, how to remember, I'll give a trick. The numerator part will be fixed, which will be AB plus BC plus CA for every cases. It will be AB plus BC plus CA. It will be also AB plus BC plus CA. I'll give a trick how to remember. To find out the value of X, the numerator will be AB plus BC plus CA. X मतलब इधर ही मिल रहा है, इसका opposite resistance क्या है? C. So divide कर दो C. Right? Similarly, Y क्या है? AB plus BC plus C. As I have told, numerator part is fixed. Y मतलब इधर ही मिल रहा है, इसका opposite क्या है? A. Similarly, what is Z? Z is AB plus BC plus CA by B. ये रेजिस्टेंस इसका अपोजिट. ठीक है. To remember this formula, it's very easy. For delta connected circuit, denominator part is fixed, which is A plus B plus C, and numerator part will be multiplication of adjacent side. And from star to delta, the numerator part is fixed, which is AB plus BC plus CA, and denominator part is opposite resistance. Okay. So now what we'll do, by using that theorem, we'll simplify a circuit. Let us take a small example. Okay. We'll find out the equivalent resistance across A and B. Okay. Let current voltage is given 20 volt. And resistance, let it be 2, 3, 4, 1, like 2. Okay. Question is to find the supply current. So ये जो circuit है, you might have studied in class 12. This kind of circuit is called unbalanced piston based circuit, because 2 by 1 is not equal to 3 by 2. ये balance circuit नहीं है. अगर ये balance होता, then you would have removed that 4 ohm resistor. You can easily calculate 2 and 3 both are in series, 1, 2 both are in series. देखो मैं example दे रहा हूँ. Balance circuit क्या है? मान लो कि 8 है, ये 4 है, ठीक है, ये 6 है, ये 3 है. ये हो गया balance circuit. 8 by 4 will be equal to 6 by 3. That means the galvanometer shows zero deflection. Middle part will be removed. So now 8 and 6 both are in series. 4 and 3 both are in series. Now both are in parallel. You can find out total resistance. Current also you can find out. Voltage by resistance. But मैंने जो क्वेश्चन दिया था वो बैलेंस नहीं था. वो क्वेश्चन क्या था? I just forgot that question. Okay, again I'll have to draw. कुछ भी अनबैलेंस सर्किट दे दो. लेट इट बी 1, 2, 3, let it be 4 and 2. Okay, let this is the unbalanced circuit. कुछ भी वैल्यू दे दो, right? We have to find out the supply current. Supply current से पहले we need to find out the equivalent resistance across A and B. So ठीक है, equivalent resistance find out करना है across A and B. Now tell me one thing. ये जो circuit 1, 4 and 3, it looks like a delta kind of circuit. Yes or no? So इसका corresponding star element will be like this. Okay, ये आपका वैल्यू हो गया x, ये आपका हो जाएगा let it be y, ये हो जाएगा z. At this point is O. Tell me what is the value of x here? डेल्टा टू स्टार मैंने क्या बोला था? एडजेसेंट साइड का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 into 3 by 1 plus 3 plus 4. 1 into 3 by 1 plus 3 plus 4. Similarly, what is the value of y here? 3 into 4. Adjacent side multiplication करो 3 into 4 by sum of 3 side. 1 plus 3 plus 4. And what about z? Z is this one. Multiply करो 1 into 4 by 1 plus 3 plus 4. So ये आंसर कितने आ गया? 3/8. ये आ गया 12/8. ये आ गया 4/8. ठीक है, मतलब ठीक से देखो ये आंसर आ गया. You can redraw again the circuit. कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे? You have to remove this original resistance as I have told. I've told you once you are converting you have to remove the original resistance. So ये x का वैल्यू क्या है? बोलो x का वैल्यू क्या है? 3/8. y का वैल्यू क्या है? Tell me quick. What is the value of y? Y is 12/8. And what is the value of z here? The value of z will be 4/8. Right? Now you can find out the equivalent resistance. See, 4 by 8 and 2 both are in series. So what is the equivalent resistance? 4 by 8 plus 2, right? So ये 1 by 2 plus 2, ठीक है, you take LCM, 8, 4 plus 16, so 20 upon 8, right? So it will be 4, 5 upon 2. Is it clear? Similarly, 12 upon 8 by 12 upon 8 and 2 both are in series. What is the resistance? 12 upon 8 plus 2. So it will be 12 plus 16, and that is 28 upon 8. Here, so matlab 14 upon 4, that is 7 upon 2. I think, ठीक है? Okay, ठीक है. 7 4 जा 7 upon 2, ठीक है? So I can replace this part as how much? 5 upon 2, and I can replace this entire part as kitna? 7 upon 2. Now both are in parallel. What is the equivalent resistance? Array 5 by 2 parallel with 7 by 2. What is the equivalent resistance? 5 by 2 into 7 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2. ओके, ये हो गया 35 बाई 2 इंटू 2, ये हो गया कितना? 5 बाई 2 7 बाई 2, मतलब 12 बाई 2, 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी 35 अपॉन 24. इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर. सो ये जो रेजिस्टेंस आपको मिला 35 अपॉन 24, तो मतलब ये जो रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? 35 upon 24. Now both are in series. What is the final resistance? 3 by 8 plus 35 upon 24. So you take LCM as 24. So it will be 9 plus 35. It will be 44 upon 24. ये हो गया इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. सो करंट क्या है? फाइनल करंट इज वोल्टेज अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस. वोल्टेज वाज गिवन टू यू, रेजिस्टेंस तो मिल गया, डिवाइड करो, आंसर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके, और एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. ठीक है. लेट दिस सर्किट इज गिवन टू यू and voltage is given. Let it be 10 volt. You have to find out the current. Resistance is 1 2 3 4. Let 1 and 3. Okay, you have to find out current. So usse pehle we have to find out the equivalent resistance. So I am removing this part. Let this point is B and this point is A. Okay, okay, let this point is P and this point is A. So first we will find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. See, I'll start from P. Okay, from A, see 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 3 ohm. A which type of circuit? Delta connected circuit. So you can convert a corresponding star equivalent circuit like this. So now tell me, let this value is X and this one is Y and this one is Z. What is the value of X here? X क्या है? 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what is Y? 3 into 4 by 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what is Z? Z is 2 into 4 by 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here 6 upon 4, 3, 7 to 9. 6 upon 9. So here 12 upon 9. Here 8 upon 9. Right? So now let this point is O. So from A to O there is a resistance X. So there is a resistance X. X का वैल्यू कितना है? 6 by 9. मैंने क्या बोला था? Once you are converting from delta to star, original part must be removed. Original part को remove करना पड़ेगा. The original part must be removed. Okay. So ये resistance क्या हो जाएगा? X. ये resistance आपका Y ये रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, Z, right? So see here I am writing the value of X is coming 6 by 9, the value of Y is coming 12 upon 9, and the value of Z is coming 8 upon 9, right? So now what I am doing, say look at carefully here, the 8 by 9 and 1 both are in series, 12 by 9 and 3 again both are in series, and 1 6 by 9 both are in series, right? So if it is in series, so it will be 1 plus 6 by 9, आंसर कितना हो गया 9, 9 plus 6, so 15 upon 9. So मतलब P2O I am getting 15 upon 9 as resistance. Then from O to B, what is the resistance? 8 upon 9 plus 1. So it will be 17 upon 9. So from O to B, there is a resistance which is 17 upon 9. Okay. Again from O to B at lower side, both are in series. So 12 by 9 plus 3. So it will be how much? 27, 12 is 39, 39 upon 9. Is it clear? 39 upon 9. ये हो गया B. So now both are in parallel. Both are in parallel. So you can get the answer. Both are in parallel मतलब 17 into 9 by 17 17 by 9 into 39 by 9 by 17 by 9 plus 39 by 9. Yes or no? So it will be 17 into 39 by 9 into 9 by here LCM is 9, 17 plus 39, 9 9 cancel. So ये हो जाएगा 17 into 39 by 9 into 39 plus 17 कितना हो गया 56, 56. ये हो गया आपका आंसर. ये हो गया टोटल रेजिस्टेंस, and that resistance is in series with 15 by 9. So total आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 17. टोटल आंसर हो जाएगा 17 into 39 by 9 into 56 plus 15 upon 9. ये हो गया टोटल रेजिस्टेंस. वोल्टेज वाज गिवन 10 वोल्ट आई थिंक. सो करंट इज वोल्टेज अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस. ओके. सी मैंने कुछ रैंडम वैल्यू ले लिया, सो मे बी कैलकुलेशन में कुछ मिस्टेक हो सकता है. सो आई बी आई कांट श्योर कैलकुलेशन सही है कि गलत है, बट मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट जो बोला दैट इज 110% करेक्ट. इससे पहले जो क्वेश्चन किया था उसमें भी शायद कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो सकता है. So don't give any negative comment, because concept what I have explained, that is absolutely 100% correct. You can implement this one in exam, you'll be getting full marks. But answer में देखो मैंने arbitrarily कुछ वैल्यू दे दिया, इसलिए कैलकुलेशन में गड़बड़ हो सकता है. मे भी सही हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो. मैंने रैंडमली कुछ वैल्यू दे दिया, मैं बुक से कॉपी नहीं किया, राइट? Okay, so in this lecture I'm ending the session. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.